Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to craft this avatar. Let's see what it is. So click the loadout. This is crash the Stache. Just click crash the Stache. As you can see, this is a free epic avatar or free epic soldiers that you can use in game. In this the detail of bio, you can read it, the details or the biography of this avatar. So what you need to do is craft until 100 shard. So let's see the event itself. Click the events banner at the left of your screen. This one, click the seasonal event. As you can see, there are 4 seasonal events. So I already complete the 3. So this one, you have to collect the shard. Every shard in each event, there are 20 shard. So you have to, or you need to collect until 100 shard to complete the crafting. So I already completed. So this is just example for you, guide for you. Shard, this is 20, and this event relic heroics 20. You have to fire 500 rounds to get it. And also this one 20, and this one. So it's already 80. So the last 20 in this feature. So let's see. The event is the seaside skirmish. This is the last one. So you have to, or you need to collect all of the shard, and you have to get it, you have to complete the mission, the challenge, or the task. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.